Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese dishes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we are making sesame chicken.
Yes, do it.
Sesame chicken is a common dish that you can find at most Chinese American restaurants, combining the sweet tanginess of the sauce and the crunch of the fried chicken. So, to get started, you'll need vinegar, chicken flavoring, cooking wine, sugar, egg, chicken breast, sesame seeds, ginger, garlic, pepper, salt, tapioca starch, ketchup or tomato puree, and chili oil. Now, let's prep. First, we're gonna smash up a knob of ginger and whoops, not again, and finally mince it up. Then we're gonna smash about 7 cloves of garlic and finally mince those up as well. Now for the chicken breast, we're first gonna slice it at an angle like this into chip-sized pieces, but not like Lay's, no, that's too thin and gross. We want the thickness to be around 2 to 3 Pringles. Alright, anyways, let's move on to the marinade. First, you can add an egg in there, a spoon of chicken flavoring, spoon of salt, a couple twists of pepper, 1 spoon of sugar, and mix everything thoroughly. Then we're gonna add 2 spoonfuls of tapioca starch and mix it through, and then we're gonna add some oil and we're done. Let it marinate for about 15 minutes and we're gonna be ready to fry. And now for the sauce. First, we're gonna add 16 spoons of sugar into a bowl, and then add 12 spoons of vinegar in there, and add 2 small spoons of cooking wine, and about 3 spoons of ketchup in there, and we're gonna grab our piggy whisk and mix it thoroughly, and you're done. Make sure to keep tasting to see if it needs more vinegar or sugar to taste. And now, let's get to frying. First, we're gonna grab a large pan or pot and add a good glug of oil in there and turn the gas on high. While the oil's heating up, we're going to use our tapioca starch and use it to coat the marinated chicken before frying. Tapioca starch is what we use at our restaurant to get that nice crust when frying. So once all the chicken is coated in the tapioca flour, let's test if the oil's hot enough. Once it's hot enough, slowly place each chicken piece in the oil carefully and allow it to fry in the oil until the crust is nice and golden brown, and then you can take it out. Alright, so once you've fried off all your chicken, put it to the side and we're gonna cook our sauce now. So grab another pan and turn up the gas and add a little bit of oil in there. And once it's hot, add in your garlic and ginger and saute them until the fragrance is out. Now turn the gas down on low and we're going to add 2 ladles of the sauce that we just made and add 1 to 2 spoons of chili oil in there, depending on your spice level. Then we're going to grab a cup and mix water and cornstarch in there and add about 2 spoons into the sauce and mix all the ingredients together. Once you mix it up and you see the sauce is starting to get sticky, turn off the gas and add your fried chicken in there and toss everything together and you're done. Grab a plate and pour over this sweet and delicious chicken and sprinkle over some of the sesame seeds on top. I hope you all enjoy!
Alright, let's eat.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, what's for dinner?
Sesame chicken, do you want some?
Sesame chicken?
Yeah.
Can I invest in it?
Of course, it costs about 2,000 Dogecoins.
Sign me up for 3,000.
Oh well, let's
Yeah.
get some, yeah.
I think it'll be worth it, right? Right? Yeah, it'll be worth it. Okay.
Yeah. It's like GME,
Sure.
right?
Yeah, GME. It's always going up.
It's always going up. Stonks are always going up. Alright.
Right. Oh,
Cheers.
cheers. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Cheers. Ah.
Mmm. Okay. Very good. Good.
Mmm.
What do you
I like
think?
it.
Yeah?
Good. It's tangy.
Yeah.
It's tangy.
Yeah, it's very orangey.
Yeah, good but not orangey. Yeah. Okay.
You know, a little bit of crunch from the sesame.
Makes for a unique aesthetic taste. I think that everybody should try. Good.
Well, thank you everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Invest in Dogecoin, maybe.